Hi, and welcome to chord tutorial number 67. We have the guitar tuned in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E. And today we're doing funky chords from Ohio. We're going to take some major chords and do some variations on them. Okay, first we're going to start with a C chord, and we're up at the 8th fret. Okay, and we're only strumming from the D string down. Just D string, G string, B string, and high E string. We won't be using the A string or the low E string. My first finger is at the 8th fret on the B and high E string. My middle finger is on the 9th fret on the G string, and my ring finger is on the 10th fret on the D string. And that's our C major chord. Alright, now we're going to lower that by a whole step to B flat by moving it to the 6th fret. Okay? 6th fret for the B and high E string, 7th fret for the G string, and fret 8 for the D string. That's B flat major. Now we're going to do a variation on that. We're going to add a knife to it by taking the pinky, plugging it in at the 8th fret on the high E string. And now we've got this. B flat, add 9. Alright, we're going to move down to an A chord by moving that whole thing to the 5th fret. And we're going to do an A add 9 by adding the pinky to the 7th fret on the high E string. So with this we can do this. So we can use this fingering to do things like this. Or that sort of thing. Okay, by just punching that finger in to that 9. Alright, for our next chord, we're going to move down to the 3rd fret, and we're going to do a 7 chord, which is this way. Now that's a G7. Now I'm holding down the 3rd fret, the D string, the G string, B string, and high E string. And then I'm going to bring my finger in to the G string at the 4th fret. Now I have a G7. Now I'm going to raise that, raise it again, and so here we go. And if we want to hammer on that, we can do this. Create some interesting effects. Like that. Alright, that about wraps it up. Funky chords from Ohio. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.